Today we're going to discuss food as medicine. We're going to be looking at a common vegetable that you may use on a daily basis in your kitchen. That is garlic. Some people like garlic, some people don't like the smell of garlic. But did you know that garlic has multiple health benefits? Yes. One of them is cardiovascular support. Garlic can lower your total cholesterol level. Garlic can also lower your bad cholesterol, the LDL level, and garlic increases your good cholesterol level. That's your HDL. We all know that garlic can decrease the blood pressure for patients with hypertension. But did you know that garlic also has antioxidant effect? And therefore, garlic can protect the oxidative damages from your endothelial lining of your blood vessels, and therefore is good for cardiovascular health. Now, garlic is also important to support your immune system. Garlic has antimicrobial effect, antibacterial effect, antifungal effect, antiviral effect. You know, in the last pandemic, people were using garlic in their smoothies, in their drink to build immune system. Garlic also has anti-cancerous effect. Studies have shown that the allicin compound in the garlic can decrease the production of cancer cells, especially cancer of the stomach or colorectal cancer. Garlic also has digestive health support. It is believed that garlic can increase the digestive enzymes, as well as garlic will increase the production of good bacteria in your GI tract, and therefore it supports GI or gut health. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory effect. It contains compounds that are beneficial for patients with arthritis as well as asthma. Some studies show that garlic can increase insulin sensitivity, and therefore it's good to regulate blood sugar, and may also decrease the risk of diabetes or even help to control blood sugar level. Garlic also has the effect of increasing estrogen production in women. Studies show that, and therefore help with bone health. Garlic is important for brain health because of the antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic is believed to improve brain health. There are many studies that have shown that garlic helps with detoxification of the body and therefore support better liver function as well as elimination of heavy metals. Garlic is also good for better skin. Patients with acne, because of the function of the antimicrobial effect, antibacterial, antifungal effect, therefore patients with acne tend to see better skin treatment of the acne just by consuming garlic. What amount of garlic is essential for you to enjoy these health benefits? It's about 8 cloves of garlic that you are to consume a day. And which is better, cooked or raw? Studies have shown that the raw garlic will maintain more of its nutrients and all of these chemicals that we're seeking. So you should consume the garlic raw. I know it's not easy to consume raw garlic. So how should you do it then? Well, you can add it to your smoothies. Just blend it out with other healthy ingredients such as ginger, or put it in your juices, your smoothie. Just ensure that you're getting the raw garlic and you can enjoy better health. Put in the comment if you like garlic and how you use garlic, and I'll see you soon. If you like the information you have received today, then subscribe and share. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.